Samuel A. Ramirez graduated from St. Francis College in Brooklyn, New York with a BA in economics. His senior thesis was entitled The Building of the United States Through Municipal Bonds. He began his career on Wall Street at Kidder Peabody & Company and founded Samuel A. Ramirez Company in 1971. Samuel A. Ramirez Company was founded 40 years ago as a boutique investment firm focused on municipal bonds. The firm quickly established itself as a competitive retail sales and traders, underwriters, and investment advisors for individual investors in this asset class. The first 2 decades of the firm's growth was primarily focused on servicing the large individual investor client base it had developed by providing solid wealth management strategies, returns, and access to municipal bonds in both the primary and secondary markets. A core business for Ramirez Company to this day, with several thousand high net worth clients, $2.5 billion in client portfolios, and many second and third generations of investors. The next 2 decades saw an expansion of the firm's institutional client platform into municipals, taxable fixed income, and equities. In the early 1990s, the firm expanded institutional sales and trading and banking teams in municipal bonds. This was soon followed by an expansion into institutional equity trading and debt and equity capital markets. Over this time period, the firm has grown into a top underwriter and institutional sales and trader of municipal bonds nationwide, presently ranked in the top 10 of all firms in the United States. The firm has developed a strong debt and equity capital markets presence with Fortune 200 clients and sales and trading teams for both equities and taxable fixed income. Ramirez Company presently has 13 offices nationwide and 125 employees.
You know, someone told me that you have to be happy to get up in the morning and go to work and happy to go home in the evening and see your family. And I definitely feel that way about working at this firm.
And every day you come in, there's something new to look forward to. Everyone's always up and excited about being there. It's not like, oh, I've got to go to work. It's, oh, I get to go to work today.
In the 3 years, I've had as much fun as I could possibly imagine, and we've had tremendous growth, and it's been very fulfilling for me.
Well, working here is very special. Like I said, I've been here 24 years, and not only have Sam and Dom taught me the business, they've also taught me many life lessons.
I've learned many things over my 20 years at Ramirez Company working with my father.
It's always been like a family here.
Sometimes we don't know whether it's a Spanish family or an Irish family, but it's a family.
A big part of Ramirez Company's reflection of the gentleman whose name is over the door.
I think it's Sam. He comes in and he's just so up and optimistic. It's wonderful.
It's a great family-owned business, one of the great family-owned businesses on Wall Street.
The value of what Sam has created is that everybody is truly integral to what we do.
Most of all, I consider myself fortunate in that Sam calls me his friend.
He's been like a father to me.
It would be hard and difficult for me not to have a friend like that. He's very special to me.
The thing about Sam is, you know, he'd give you the shirt off his back or a tie, and in fact, the tie I'm wearing is his.
I've known Sam for a long time, respected him for a long time. His philosophy on business is very similar to mine.
You feed off his energy.
His energy spills over, and I think it shows in the production of the firm.
Just can't believe he doesn't like to sit still for very long.
Sam's genuine. When he asks you a question about your family, he really wants to know about your family.
And he leads by example. I mean, I think the best leaders lead by example.
He has built a firm here that will endure not just for the next 40 years, but for many years after that.
Well, as Sam has grown the firm since he first started 40 years ago, it's just wonderful. He always tries and continues to do new things, and I think that's going to continue.
We're still growing. We have all the pieces in place right now, and I see just a really nice niche in the market for a firm our size.
I believe our clients can attest to the fact that we compete with some of the top firms in the country in our areas of expertise, and that's what we strive to do on a daily basis.
And that's our goal, to get the bigger piece of the pie versus the bulge bracket firms.
That's the name of the game.
Sam, what can I say? It's been a pleasure to know you for the last 35 plus years.
Obviously, we wish you the best. It's been a great time we've had here at Ramirez.
I'd like to wish you a happy 40th anniversary. I look forward to many more years.
Happy 40th, and here's to another 40 years.
40 is a wonderful milestone, given that you're one of the few left standing who have been in business for 40 years.
Well wishes to you after 40 years is quite an accomplishment. Very few people have been able to do what you've done.
Happy 40th anniversary, Sam. It's been a wonderful time working working here for the last 17 years.
Sam, congratulations on 40 years. Here's to 40 more.
Sam, my friend, I congratulate you for your past accomplishments.
I look forward to the next 40 years.
And I just want to wish you the very, very best and happy anniversary.
We've been here for the 10th anniversary, the 20th anniversary, the 30th anniversary, now the 40th, and we expect to be here for a lot longer.
It's been great to work here, and I look forward to working with you in the future.
Happy 40th anniversary, Sam! Woo!